Hey guys, it's Miss Thompson, and today I'm going to show you how to take that awesome Bitmoji virtual classroom that you created in Google Slides and integrate it into your Google Classroom. While there's several ways you could do this, I'm going to show you a way that I like best that I think is a little bit more secure for our students. So you're going to start off with opening up your virtual classroom in Google Slides that you created earlier. And then you're going to go up to File. So I'm going to click on File, and I'm going to go all the way down to Publish to the Web. So click on Publish to the Web, and then click on the yellow button that says Publish. Click on OK because I do want to publish this. And you notice this will give you a link that you can then put in your Google Classroom so that students can actually access your virtual classroom. So let's see how that's done. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to use my Command Copy or Command C or Control C if you're on a PC. So I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to go over into my Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up a new window, go to my waffle, and open up Google Classroom. Now, if you have several classes like I do, you might want to put this in your homeroom. That's where I'm going to show you how to do this today. So I'm going to go to my homeroom, and I'm going to put this, I could put it in the stream, but that gets a little bit jumbled up later on when you start adding things. So I would actually go to classwork, and I'm going to create a topic called virtual classroom so my students know where to look for this virtual classroom. You don't have to do this part. I just like to use topics to keep things organized. To actually add your virtual classroom to Google Classroom, you're going to go up to Create, and you're going to add this as material, not as an assignment because they're not going to need to turn anything in for this. I would add it as material. And I'm going to give it a title, Mrs. Thompson's Virtual Classroom. And then I'm going to add the link that I just copied. So use Command V or Control V to add your link, to copy and paste it there. And then you see that my virtual classroom has been added to this material. You could also add a description if you need to let kids know what to do with this. I'm going to put it in my virtual classroom under that virtual classroom topic, and then I could post it to my classroom. Now, I'm not quite ready to post this to my kids yet, so I'm going to save it as a draft, but as a teacher, you're still going to see what it looks like. So when your kids go to Classroom, the classwork section of Classroom, and they click on Mrs. Thompson's Virtual Classroom, whatever you call it, they'll see the link. And when they click on that link, it's going to take them to a web page of your virtual classroom, so that any links that you have put into your virtual classroom, students can go to, but you notice they cannot move anything around. Since they're not actually looking at this in Google Slides, they're just looking at it as a web page, they cannot manipulate it. The only thing they can do is go to the links that you have provided in your classroom. So hopefully that helps you know how to take your awesome Bitmoji virtual classrooms that you have created earlier and integrate them into your Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or contact me, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Until later, it's Miss Thompson. Have a great day. Bye.